Hey guys, welcome to my channel again. In this video, we're gonna continue Fibonacci retracement. This time we will see different variant of Fibonacci. This is trend-based Fibonacci because yes, we know Fibonacci retracement. This is the usual one when there is some stable market we can use it, and in most of place actually we can use it, but we will use just with top and bottom. Also there's a trend, uptrend and downtrend. Sometimes when we use the usual one, Fibonacci retracement, we cannot get exact result as much as we can, as much as we want. So sometimes we need to use trend based because there's a trend. That's why this Fibonacci must calculate the our direction with considering this trend as well. When we use trend-based Fibonacci, we need to find one bottom, one top, and one correction. Basically like that. So let's see on chart. There's a one uptrend I want to show on Solana with 4-hour time frame. When I catch my bottom as here, I need to find next top, next higher high after it. So I choose my trend-based Fibonacci and I choose my bottom line. After I choose one top, one higher high, and I choose one higher low as a correction. When I choose this, I can expand my Fibonacci like that, and let me fix it first to get better result. By the way, you can use the magnet to get best result. I just don't wanna use it. So let's say we are here. When we set our trend-based Fibonacci, we can see what can price go, where can price go after a while. It will give some option for us. As I told you, when we set our Fibonacci, we can use it as a support and resistance. And when we used on trend base, we can also, consider in the same way. And we can take these lines, take this support and resistance seriously because, price respect that level. So we have to do in the same way. You know what I mean? When I see that, I saw that price just rised on this level. And I just realized that, as I told you, price really take care of about this level. It using as a resistance over here, is using as a support that zone. As you can see, it makes some reaction. When I get closer, I can also see my 0.618 level. As you see, price used that level, and when the price not successful over there, it dropped down. And when it dropped down, as you see, it used that level as a support again, and price got power and rise again, but not that strong. It's dropped down with making zigzag movement, and after a while, it again using these lines. As you see here, it just not successful. After it drop, it break up strongly. And when it rise, as you see, it's also trying to again 0.618, which is our important level. It tries but not successful, drop down, but it's not drops same as previous. It's making higher high. That means it's good. It's giving us result of uptrend. So after it tries rise again, as you see, especially here, it's make some reaction on this level. It's break up, it used like support, it was resistance before. after breakup it used like support and it rised again. That's just wonderful. For each this movement you can make some position, you can make long short trade as well. So when it hit the 0.618, it's make again drop down, but again it makes higher low, and it's keep repeat like that after triangle, some other formation as well. It's not matter now, I don't want to focus that, just focus the Fibonacci. After a while it makes rise and it keep rising. So if you know, as I told you, 0.5, after that if you don't want to make 2-minute trade in a day, if you like scalp trading or something like that, it's 4-hour time frame, but anyway, that's okay. I mean daily trade is better for it. You can just open a long position after this, because you saw that there's a higher low and higher high. You can open your long position and you can expect some rise over here. That's good, because with that way we can also identify our trend lines, trend movements. That will give us too many opportunities to make trades. That's why we need to use this trend-based Fibonacci when there's have some trends. So this is uptrend Fibonacci. When there is uptrend, you're gonna use this way. But downtrend Fibonacci is different. That time you're gonna look for short and you will make opposite same as Fibonacci replacement tool. Let me show it. So this time I want to show you on Bitcoin with daily time frame. I'm using different time frame because I want to let you know that you can use Fibonacci in every time frame. You can use for 10-minute time frame, but it's going to be different. You can use in 10-minute time frame, you can use in 3 days, 1 week time frame. So when I saw there's a downtrend, you don't need to make from the toppest and lowest. That's also okay in some condition, but usually when we are making trade, when we are trying to see our front, like our next move, we will look first up and first down, first drop and first correction, like that. So in upward movement we were taking first bottom, top and correction. Now we will make opposite. We will take, I want to take this as my top, and this is better because it's drop, rise and then drop like that. After I will take one next drop, next bottom and rise again. When I make it expanded, by the way, you can also set it up with the settings. When you click here, there is a settings and you can fix everything. After, when you set it up, you will see, just get closer, how this trend-based Fibonacci works. Price drop down and as you see it's make reaction over there, over 6.618. As long as it's top of it and as long as you get the point, it's taking some reaction over there, that's okay. So after it dropped down and as you see sharply drop and it rise again. I just checked one thing, sorry. It rise again. After it dropped down, rise again, and it used this level as a resistance and it's not successful, it dropping down, rising. But as you see, each one it's make higher high, higher low. After it's rising, it's making breakup of this level. It's rising to the 0.5, which is our middle point, which is also important. It couldn't succeed and drop down again, even with breakdown our 0.618. It's keep rising, it keeps make some zigzag movement inside of those channels. So as you see, one reject, second reject, and third reject. After, when price came here, I told you 0.5 and 0.618 important, and between them is golden ratio. Price couldn't succeed and it dropped down sharply. I mean, it makes zigzag movement, yes, but it's dropped so much. End of the story. So when you are here, when you see these wicks, as I taught you on candle lesson, you can understand there is something's wrong, okay? And it's not surprise because you're already in downtrend. So you can make straight away a short position. Where is it? I'm just making random this stop loss part, and you will know that you will get at least this percentage, because there is one demand area. You can guess when price drop, it can get reaction over there, and also you have this line 0.7. it's also equal with your demand area. That's why you can consider this is as your first target point. Just to knowing trend-based Fibonacci and just knowing you're in downtrend, you can just open your Fibonacci, you can just set it up and you can follow the price. When it's hit, you can open your short position and you can earn some percentage, which is just so awesome. You can combine it with with normal Fibonacci retracements, and you can make more confirmation as much as you can. That's it. That's easy. Just need to make practice, and after a while you even gonna catch them with your bare eye.